Yeah, I gotta push the code to my site here.
Who's this guy?
Show you guys how it's done here. Bye. Bye. Okay, so. I don't mean queso. I mean K. Okay, so.
Okay.
Need to push code. This is how we do this. Okay, watch. We're gonna go here.
Actually, I want to play Pantheon.
Reveal in
Oh,
Explorer.
I can play Pantheon
Okay.
support.
This is the site here. Okay, okay. So we go like this.
Oh, thanks for following, man.
We go like this. We're going to go to GitHub.
Hell yeah.
We're going
I'm
to go
famous
to
now,
GitHub.
dude. That was the follow to make me famous.
We're going to go to
Oh, I gotta
site here.
record this.
Okay.
Oh, it's recording. Okay.
Oh wait, it's 5181. This is where the domain is hosted here. Okay.
Oh, shit.
We'll log in with the
Hey,
GitHub. GitHub, we go to the repository. Wait, I think it's here. Yes, it's here. We're going to delete these. Here, delete. Scroll to the bottom. Delete. Commit. Okay. Here. And here we go delete. Okay. Commit. And in the rest, it's the same thing. Same thing for the rest. Okay. Whoa.
It's
Delete here.
Pantheon.
Commit.
Perseus Pantheon.
And then logo. Oh yes.
I'm gonna play him right now.
Commit again.
Well,
Can you
I feel
guys
like-
guess
I feel
what
like
we do
playing
here
camp
for the
support.
last two? Yes, that's correct. It's delete
Like,
and commit.
one non-Shaco game.
Final quiz of the day. Transitions. Delete. Commit. Okay.
Unless it gives me jungle. No, fuck that.
Now we are going to go to add file,
It'll give me
upload,
jungle.
and
It
here
always does.
we are in the navigation of our Visual Studio Code. We just drag and upload the files. It's so simple. Okay, okay. So a dinosaur means you get the
Perseus.
gift of Gab.
Perseus Pantheon.
I'm not sure what to say about this gift of Gab.
Pers.
Okay, we have committed the updates from the Visual Studio Code with the new files. We log in our Linux distribution here. Maybe we log in with Google, okay? Okay, like this.
Yeah, you too.
It was Google. I forget.
Did you queue
Okay,
up so
I
we can play
forgot.
next game?
Now we have the
Yeah,
committed
stream
changes
state me.
here in GitHub.
I have no delay.
We're going to go to the Git here, okay? We go to pull updates. Very good, very good. Now it pulls from the GitHub. Update all of the directories and files.
Pantheon time.
And we can actually go here to make sure.
Pantheon support's like the most broken thing in the world.
Okay,
I
so
got support.
repository, it's good, it's good. Whoa, okay, that's the public key. I thought I just
AP,
doxed
nice.
myself.
Okay. And then rooms.
Okay,
I'll do-
hopefully it takes a minute or two sometimes, but it usually works. It should look like